I'm going to show you exactly how to make a digital journal that actually sells even if you've never created one before. In this video, I'll walk you through the entire process from designing the journal all the way to uploading it and getting it ready for sale. And if you stay until the end, I'll also share how to access our totally free Canva crash course so you can keep learning more after this. Let's start with the first step, which is setting up your journal size. Head over to the Amazon cover calculator, and once you're there, don't overthink the settings. Just copy the exact details I'll be showing on the screen. These settings are optimized for paperback journals. Once you've entered the details, click Calculate Dimensions. This will show you a preview to make sure everything looks correct. After that, click Download Template. You'll get a zip file that includes an image file, a PDF with the sizing guide, and a manual. This is what we'll use to design your cover. Now head over to your Canva account. On the left-hand panel, click Create. Then choose Custom Size at the bottom. Before creating the design, change the unit to inches. Next, open the PDF from the Amazon template and copy the full dimensions shown in the center of the page. Paste those dimensions into Canva, then click Create New Design. Once your blank canvas opens, upload the image file from the Amazon template and place it on the canvas. It should fit perfectly. This will act as your sizing guide. Now you can start designing your journal cover. You can add a title, graphics, or you can go to ChatGPT and ask for creative or funny journal name ideas depending on your niche. Lower the transparency of the sizing guide so you can clearly see where everything should go. Make sure nothing touches the red lines or the edges, because those areas will be trimmed during printing. Once your cover is done, click Share, then Download, and choose PDF Print. Next, we'll create the inside pages of the journal. Go back to the Canva homepage, click Create, and choose Custom Size again. This time, You only need half of the width you used earlier because the previous dimensions were for the full cover spread. Keep the same height, then click Create New Design. Now for the inside pages. Press L on your keyboard 25 times to create lines. Select all of them, right-click, and choose Space Evenly, then Tidy Up. Make sure the lines cover most of the page, but leave some space at the top and bottom. Select everything again and set the line thickness to 1 and the transparency to 50% to make it clean and subtle. Next, go to Grid View at the bottom and duplicate the page until you reach 120 pages. Once that's done, download it as PDF print. Now that you have both the cover and the interior ready, it's time to upload everything to Amazon. Head over to Amazon KDP. If you don't have an account yet, we made a separate video showing exactly how to set one up. Just click the pop-up that appears on your screen. Once you're inside KDP, click Create Paperback and fill in the required details like your book title, description, and keywords. You can even use ChatGPT to help generate those. After that, upload your cover file and your 120-page interior file, set your pricing, and publish. If you find this video helpful so far, please consider subscribing to help YouTube algorithm show my video to other people who want to learn Canva in the easiest way. And as promised, if you want to access our totally free Canva crash course, just check out the pinned comment down below. And that's it. You've just created a digital journal that's ready to sell on Amazon. If you want to learn more about selling digital products online using Canva, we made a 100% free course. Just click the pop-up that will appear on your screen. Let us know in the comments if you have any suggested topics you want us to cover, and I'll see you on our next video.